In this tutorial, I'll show you how to group rows in Smartsheet using row hierarchy and indentation. While Smartsheet doesn't have a traditional group rows feature like some spreadsheet tools, you can organize related rows together and create expandable sections for a cleaner, more structured sheet. Start by identifying the row you want to use as the main heading or parent row. This could be a project phase, department name, category, or any other top-level item you want to organize data under. Next, select the rows that belong beneath that parent row. Click the row numbers to highlight the rows you want to include in the group. Once selected, click the Indent button in the toolbar. The rows will shift slightly to the right, creating a parent-child relationship. As soon as you indent the rows, Smartsheet creates a hierarchy. The top row becomes the parent row, while the indented rows become child rows underneath it. This structure makes large sheets easier to read and manage. One of the biggest benefits of using row hierarchy is that you can collapse and expand sections. A small arrow will appear next to the parent row, allowing you to hide or display the child rows whenever needed. This is especially useful for project plans, task lists, and reports with lots of information. You can continue creating multiple levels of hierarchy by indenting rows further if necessary. If you need to remove a row from a group, simply select it and click Outdent to move it back to the previous level. For even better organization, consider using text wrapping, formatting, and parent row summaries to make grouped sections easier to identify at a glance. That's how to group rows in Smartsheet using hierarchy and indentation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.